Inside the walls of any house, there are lines: gas, water, and electric. For gas, it starts here at the front of the building. You can see the gas meter right here. Above it is the main gas shutoff. I'm going to turn that so that the knob is actually perpendicular to the direction of the pipe. Okay. Now you would think that shutting the gas off here would be enough, but we're not done. So down here, all this mechanical equipment's coming out, this wall's leaving, which means these gas lines have to be cut. So what happens if somebody comes along and turns on that main gas shutoff valve with open pipe? So by code, we have to find a place to put a cap or a plug onto the line. The most logical place for me is right here. Okay, that should do it. So now if anybody turns that main shutoff valve on, we're safe. For the water, it's a similar story. There's a water meter at the front of the building with a shutoff valve. I could just shut it right off, but I'd like to keep some water for a bathroom for the crew and for construction. So supply comes to right here. You can see it tees two ways. This goes to the existing bathroom. This is to the new work. So I could just shut it off right here. But again, if somebody came along and opened this valve after this was cut, it would flood. So I'm just going to cap it. All right, and this is a solderless cap. Couldn't be easier. For electricity, it's pretty much the same drill. We want to be safe, turn off the electricity to the building, but we still need electricity for the workers. So we're going to leave the main disconnect on and turn off the individual breakers inside the house. Now we're on a special heavy-duty cable up to an electrical distribution box for all the workers. So, gas, water, electricity, we're all safe. Start swinging those hammers.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.